Yeah, hey guys, let's see today how to change alarm volume on iPhone. So guys, in order to change the alarm volume on iPhone, just try to find that clock app, just tap on it. And now guys, from here, uh, from guys, you can, if you want to add some alarm, just tap on the plus icon. And now guys, from here you can just no any options coming to change alarm volume. Only that option is coming like sound only, but how to change alarm volume, it's not coming any options over here. So in order to change alarm volume on iPhone, just go to settings. Just go to settings, and now from the settings page just try to find sound and haptics. You can see over here, just tap on it. And now guys, only the way to change alarm volume on iPhone, just drag from left to right. If you more you just drag it, you will get the much louder sound. And if you just use a little low, so if you want to change alarm volume much louder on your iPhone, just try to drag it most from left to right guys. So this way you can change alarm volume on your iPhone guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.